Mount Rainier National Park, one of the oldest national parks on Earth. It's mostly 8 months of winter here. It's mostly devoid of life. But in spring, that all changes. The marmots. They usually spend 8 months underground, much of it hibernating. This guy, appetizing. Here's a story about the marmots I found in Mount Rainier. Meet Appetizer, a playful marmot, but it gives a question to ask. So marmots are a big rodent. This was the horrid marmot. It's about 2 feet, and they're related to ground squirrels. As summer's here, Appetizer is eating as much as he can as fast as he can. And you're probably wondering why I named Appetizer, because he liked to eat a lot. We were hiking and we saw something in the bushes. It's a marmot. But this is not Appetizer. I call him Big Tooth. So, in our story, the marmots are trying to fatten up for the winter. They eat, and eat, and eat. But that is a good time to mention. Well, like bears, marmots must escape the extreme cold, and there's less food around with them. So marmots need to eat up a lot. Like, I mean a lot. Look at them, they're so cute. And marmots have a territory over 7 acres, which they share with their friends and family. And that was a good time to mention. The marmots were the only ones in the territory I've hiked in. This is Goofball the squirrel, and there he is in a dirt bath. He always likes to meet the marmots' territories every day. Oh, that's a spot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But the marmots allow this. The only neighbors they're not welcoming are predators or invasions. They welcome creatures like Goofball the ground squirrel and Frederick the chipmunk. He's smaller than Goofball, but a little annoying. There are big animals like black-tailed deer, and especially their fawns are in the marmot's territory. As Appetizer gets the long nose, he gets a little picky sometimes. But Appetizer knows he's in the wrong territory. And he's talking things up with Longtooth. Okay, how do I get... But Longtooth got frustrated, so he battles with Appetizer. Wait, that's a question. Before we continue to the fight, let's answer a question. Marmots fight to defend their territory, mostly during the mating season when dominants fight bachelors. And I bet Longtooth is the dominant and Appetizer's the bachelor. And now back to Big Tooth versus Appetizer. Ow, please no biting, thank you. Ouch. Alright, I'm sorry. Ow, Ow! Watch the claws! Ow, that hurts! Alright. Okay, what's that? I'm not looking at anything. Ow, ow! Oh, please, no biting! Nice moves. Not bad. Ow, ow. But appetizer 1. The marmots are playful, and they eat a lot of food. They must eat a lot if they're going to face the mountains. Mountains have colder months than the forest, but that's a question that must be answering. But it's their life. Their thick fur and making dens allows them to survive in the harsh winters, so their homes is up in the mountains. Soon, Longtooth just walked up on the trail like a weirdo. Hello, humans. My name is Longtooth. Have we met? Can you understand me? Guys? Soon, Longtooth got bored and he said, I'm getting out of here. But winter is gonna come soon, probably for appetizer. It's off to catch the time. Soon, in a few months, winter will come, and the mountains of Mountaineer will be surrounded in snow for 8 months, and the marmots will have a nice long nap.